Hello, my name is Edmond, Vice President of Operations. At JD Young Technologies, we've built our reputation on providing world-class service to companies just like yours for over 70 years. To achieve this, we've assembled highly specialized and tenured teams to keep your organization's systems running at peak performance. Allow me to introduce you to our JD Young Toshiba service team.
My name is Brad Coggins. I've been with JD Young for 24 years. I am a service supervisor.
Hi, I'm Phil Baker. I'm on the Toshiba team, and I've been with JD Young for approximately 26 years.
Hello, my name's Nate Aldridge. I've been with JD Young since February of 2008. I'm part of the Toshiba team.
My name is Glenn Robertson. I've been with JD Young for 17 years. I'm a senior technician on the Toshiba team.
My name is Clint Terry. I've been with JD Young for 14 years this year.
My name is Clark Earhart. I've been with JD Young for 14 years, and I am on the Toshiba team.
My main focus is to take care of customers' machines in their office.
I'm kind of a hybrid technician. I do a lot of work on the copier side in the Toshiba work. I do everything from small volume copiers up to large high volume color machines.
I service the oldest equipment up to the newest equipment.
I troubleshoot copiers mechanically, electrically, and IT.
Mainline Toshiba and Canon products in the production line equipment. I originally started on Ricoh, but now I'm on Toshiba and Canon.
Well, I do a lot of driving because I cover such a large area. I cover Muskogee, Tahlequah, parts of Pryor, and everything about south. So wherever they send me, I go. And it could be a block, it could be, an hour and a half away. One of the things I enjoy working with the JD Young team is that everybody is very knowledgeable. You can pick up the phone and call anybody, and they're more than willing to help you out. It's not a, hey, you're on your own, take care of this on your own. Everybody is more than willing to help in every way possible.
Going into a customer's office, knowing that they've got an issue or a problem or a concern that I'm able to help them with.
Anytime I run into an issue, I have no concern of us figuring it out. I think we're in real good shape, real good position to take care of anything that comes up. I'm always glad when a service call turns out great and the customer's very thankful.
We had a customer that had lost their telephone system due to a lightning strike, and obviously that's a major problem when you're trying to operate a business and have no phones. We were able to get out, and I got their phone system back up and running within half an hour after my arrival. This was able to get them back in business, back on the phones with their customers, and they were really overjoyed that we could get out there and get them taken care of in that kind of a time frame.
And our superior service doesn't stop once the job is done. We have a dedicated staff of support and admin personnel that ensure that each customer experience is an award-winning one. Thank you for taking the time to get to know us just a little bit better. We look forward to serving you for many years to come.